Hi guys, how are you doing today? Once again, Sir H.Hussain with you with a very interesting lecture. और आज का जो हमारा लेक्चर है वो है I have heard that. मैंने सुना है, ये बात मैंने सुनी. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना यार, मैंने सुना है कि आप ऐसा कर रहे हो. I have heard that you're studying English language classes. You're taking English language classes. सुना है आप English language classes ले रहे हैं. I've heard that you're working at the Hunar Foundation. मैंने सुना है कि आप Hunar Foundation में काम कर रहे हैं आजकल. I have heard that you're going to London next week. मैंने सुना है कि आप लंदन जा रहे हैं next week. So I have heard that you are good at making fun. मैंने सुना है कि आप तफरीह करने में बहुत अच्छे हैं. I have heard that you got a new job. सुना है आपको नया जॉब मिला है. So इसमें कोई भी टेंस हम यूज कर सकते हैं. I have heard that you are sick of learning English. मैंने सुना कि आप इंग्लिश सीखने से बेजार हो गए. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना? I have heard that you're fond of teaching English. मैंने सुना है कि आप इंग्लिश पढ़ाने के शौकीन हैं. I have heard that you are fond of watching movies. मैंने सुना कि आप मूवीज देखने के भी शौकीन हैं. I have heard that you are brilliant at telling lies. सुना है कि आप झूठ बोलने में बहुत माहिर है. सेंटेंस है. I have heard that you don't speak English. मैंने सुना है कि आप इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते. Hussain, I have heard that you have established a language center on the weekends, Saturday, Sunday in Model Colony. Is that right? Yes, that's true. So I have heard that मैंने ऐसा सुना है. I have heard that Umair is very intelligent and he is very funny. मैंने सुना है कि Umair बहुत intelligent और funny है. And I have heard that Mr. Shahid is so cooperative and he's a very nice, like photographer. So I have heard that मैंने ऐसा सुना है कैसा है. So इसका जवाब हम बोलते हैं, is that true? Yes, that's true. Or we can say, no, that's not true. So I have heard that Hussain is really fond of teaching English. And yes, that's true. Thank you so much for watching. And I'd like to give you a special offer. On the weekend, Saturdays, Sundays, I have a special class at Sweet Home Lane behind Libros in the Model Colony. And I would like you guys to have a free demo. And I'm sure that you would love to be a part of that class. So please join us and have a great day. Thank you so much.